wanted to make sure that when I go back to where it is that I'm going to be fishing at, that I don't end up going to jail. So all trespasses have been taken down.
As far as I know, yes, they, Parks and Recs called yesterday, and they decided to just go ahead and waive all the trespasses that were issued on them, whatever they
On all of the individuals?
Yeah, there was a couple of them. I think it was like 4.
Yeah. All right, perfect. And is Lieutenant Ryan and all the other officers who were misinformed of the law going to be educated on that?
Well, I was not there, so I have no idea what you're talking about. I spoke with this gentleman before, again, I was not there, so I don't know. I know that you can have a weapon when you're fishing, as long as you're fishing. Yeah. So do they know that? I have not spoken to them about that.
Okay. Well, are you like their immediate supervisor?
No, we're same rank.
Same rank?
Okay. Yeah, the one that's above that is commander, deputy chief, and chief.
All right.
I'm the lieutenant for the squads that are working on.
And if I wanted to speak to the person who is their immediate supervisor, what would their name be so I can know?
That's Deputy Hutch. He's the deputy chief. And also Commander King.
Commander King.
He's above us.
Hutch.
Yeah.
All right.
Commander King's above us. The deputy's above the commander.
Do you understand not providing paperwork that shows that the gentleman's trespass has been resent? It can cause a lot of problems out there.
It won't cause any problem because if somebody runs your name, it'll show that there is no trespass.
Yeah, perfect. But they're not going to get our IDs or nothing, so we ain't going down that route.
Why would they lay on the ground?
Well, they have me put my hands up for 30 minutes.
I mean, why would they? Because they're probably titles. I mean, you have any idea?
I am not going to get into those type of questions. I'm going to answer the questions that he's asking, and we'll just stick with
All right, well, yeah, that's all I wanted to know. At the end of the day, he was misinformed of the law, and something like that can potentially end up getting somebody hurt. You know, what if I couldn't keep my hands up for as long as they made me keep my hands up, and I got tired and my hands dropped? Would they have shot me because I had a firearm legally carrying, you know? So I just want to make sure that they get trained properly.
And again, what you can do is if you feel like you need to talk to somebody else, they're above us.
All right, no problem. I appreciate you being cordial with me.
And sir, for the record, what's your name and badge number?
Victor Rodriguez, what's your badge number?
What's that on your chest then? If you don't have a badge number?
19? 110?
110, okay.